you need new friends. I don't have any friends that are like, oh my God, that's not safe. You should not do that. You need new friends. And, we talked a little while ago about this. I started with the bakery, and then people started sending messages and wanting to know how I got started. And then it was like, okay, well, I'll start a Facebook group. It's called Cake Sense. It's free, CENTS. And I just did lives once a week and just said, hey, what are you struggling with? And we would have conversations. Then it turned into, wow, they have so many questions. I offered an 8-week course called Passion and Profit that teaches you how to build a business from nothing. And it turned into, okay, I'm growing and I feel really great now and I'm building confidence. Can you fix my husband? And so then I had to bring my husband along and say, hey, can you talk to these guys? Because we've had our share of issues. We've had our share of, hey, I want to go after this. You don't, vice versa.
Sure.
And so we kind of walk through those things that have worked for us. And now it's turned into a personal development company, which I'm transitioning out of my bakery after a decade selling that, and then wanting to pursue this full time.